Hello students, in today's video of set in Python, I will discuss about how to add element using for loop, how to calculate union and intersection of the sets, how to calculate difference, and how to calculate symmetric difference. Let us start with the content. First of all, declare A as set, then using for loop, suppose I write 1 to 6, then A dot add I, now print all the elements of set A, execute the program, and the elements from 1 to 5 are there. Now why the elements from 1 to 5? Basically, inside the condition of for, the first element is included and second is excluded. Basically, if I declare 1 to n, then the elements from 1 to n minus 1 will print out. Let us declare one more set. B is equal to set, then for j in range 3 to 8, basically it will print out the elements from 3 to 7. B dot add j, then print the elements of B, now execute the program. The elements of B are, elements of A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and elements of B are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These contents basically represents how to add the elements using for loop. Previously, we add the element one by one. And basically, in this video, we are adding the elements using for loop, but in running order. If you write here 1 to 11, then 2, then you can add the odd elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, like this. Now what we have to do, we have to calculate union and intersection of the sets. Suppose I write print union, then you can write A or B. Let us execute the program. You can write the union here 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. All the elements are there, but repetition is not allowed. 3, 5, and 7. These elements are repeated basically. These elements are not repeated inside the union. One more way of representing the union is print. You can write A dot union, then B. It's basically the defined function inside Python. A dot, then union of B. It means A union B. Now display the content. Again, the content is same 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. For intersection, you can write print intersection, then A and B. Check the output 3, 5, 7. These are the repeated elements basically, or common elements you can say. Intersection means representation of common elements in both the sets. One more way of representing print A dot intersection, and inside bracket you can write B. It's 357. You can also write like this, print B dot union A. It's one and the same thing. Similarly, you can write here print B dot intersection A. B intersection A intersection B, A and B, it's one and the same thing. A or B, A union B or B union A, it's one and the same thing. Let us execute the program. All the contents are same. You can see here, it's the first method, it's the second, it's third, all the contents are same. Similarly, for intersection, all the values are same. Now the next one is, what is the meaning of difference of sets? Suppose I write here print A minus B, A minus B, and here you can write A minus B. Let us execute the program. Now what is the meaning of A minus B? Let us understand this concept. A minus B is 1, 9. Check the elements of A, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Check the elements of B, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the common elements are 3, 5, 7. If I delete the common elements from set A, then it's A minus B. I repeat again. If I delete the common elements from set A, then it is A minus B. And if I write print B minus A, suppose I write here B minus A, execute the program again. You can put colon here, execute the program. Now check this one. The elements are 4 and 6. What is the meaning of this? If I delete intersection elements from set B, 3, 5 and 7, only 4, 6 is pending. Now what is the meaning of this? If I have to write A minus B, then what is the meaning of this? A minus, basically intersection of A and B. And what is the meaning of B minus A? B minus intersection of A and B, that is 4 and 6. One more method is there for A minus B. You can write print A dot difference B, and for this you can write print B dot difference then A. Check the output. It is the same output. It means two methods are there. One is A minus B, second is A dot difference of B, means A minus B. Then B minus A, B dot difference A, it means B minus A. Now the next one is symmetric difference. Now what is the meaning of symmetric difference? Basically, if we combine A minus B and B minus A, these elements, then it will become symmetric difference. Suppose I write print symmetric difference, and I can write A minus B or B minus A. Let us execute the program. Check here. The elements are 1, 4, 9 and 6. 1, 9, 4, 6. It's the combination of elements. Basically, it's A minus B union B minus A. You can write like this also. A minus B dot I think it's better if I write D is equal to A minus B and E is equal to B minus A. Suppose I write here D or E. Let us execute the program. One, 4, 9 and 6. And another method is if I write D dot symmetric difference then inside E. Execute again the program 1, 4, 6 and 9. But you can directly calculate also. Print if I write A caret sign then B. In this way you can also calculate the display of a symmetric difference. Check here 1, 4, 6 and 9. There is no need to calculate A minus B and B minus A. You can calculate directly by using this power sign or caret sign. A caret sign, basically it's XOR operator. While you are doing XOR operations, you can calculate the symmetric difference of the sets. Let us repeat the content. First one is addition of element using for loop. Second is union and intersection. And third one is difference of the sets. And fourth one is symmetric difference. Union, we completed the union by 3 methods. And intersection, after that A minus B and B minus A. Then symmetric difference by using again 3 methods. Thanks for watching my video.